Hey, full face Andy. Sometimes in my work I look at people struggling and I think, it's okay. Everyone deserves a little type 2 fun. And recently that's reminded me of a time where myself and my buddy Alex made a conscious decision to have some type 2 fun. Here's our story. So we come around this bend in the river and then we're at camp. So nice. If we're in the dark and we notice that we're by the highway, we know then it is like just one more corner. Okay. And it's what time?
It is. Let me get the ice off my watch.
It is currently like 30 degrees. It's gonna get down to 23. Yes. Maybe. And we're putting in and it's 5:50 or something. We're not even have to put in yet. So yeah, we have great ideas. Convinced Alex to join me. Somehow.
Regretfully.
Nobody else wanted to come. We got 45 minutes before dark.
An hour until camp.
Yeah. All right. You're gonna stay warm by paddling fast. Oh my god. It's so icy.
Look at that.
Guys, we made it to camp.
Made it. 6:45.
Hey.
Not too bad.
A little more than an hour.
Yeah.
Just a little. But yeah, all right. Let's, we're gonna get camp set up and make a fire.
I see my redhead, masked bed, tear shed, queen bee must squeeze. The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees.
Fuck.
But it froze into the slope.
I'm literally grabbing the edge of the ice to pull forward. All right, time for the ice cold high five.
Oh, I'm not taking my hands out. I am not. That ship has sailed.
We did it.
We did.
Yes. Till next time.